In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop apps from refreshing and how you can turn off background apps limit on your Android phone. I'm going to show you how you can do this for a single app, or you want to stop background processes for the numbers of apps that you have opened. Now, for any app you would like to run in the background on your Android, simply tap and hold down on the icon of the app and you will see app info. Tap on app info and this will take you to the app info. Now you can also get here through settings, tap on apps, and then tap on the app you'd like to tweak. On the app info page, scroll down till you find app battery usage. Now tap on this and you see allow background usage. Toggle on this and this will allow the app to run in the background and stop battery optimization on the app. If you want to increase the background limit, you want to go back to settings, and under settings you want to scroll down till you find about phone. Tap on about phone and scroll to the bottom of about phone. Here you see build number. You want to tap on this for 4 times, unlock your device, and developer option will be enabled. Now go back and now you want to tap on system. Under system, you want to scroll down to the bottom, you see developer options. Tap on developer options. Under the developer option, you can scroll till you find background apps limit or background limits. Now you can also make this easy by tapping on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen and then search for background. You see background process limit. Tap on this and this will take you to the background process limit. Here you want to tap on the background process limit and you'll be able to increase your background process limit to the highest in this section. Choose your preferred option and this will be set as your background process limit. This will help improve the background process of your running apps. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe for more tips.